guys, it's my favorite time. The Bag Maker subscription box is here. Yes, I get very excited. It's definitely my fave time, which happens every 2 months. Sorry, I'm just making sure my camera was videoing. It's from Studio 77. I haven't opened it, I've just covered up my address. I've got my Let's Get Sewing box in here. For those of you who don't know, Emma from Studio 77 does a bi-monthly Bag Makers subscription box, which if you're in the UK like me, it's not always easy to find super cute things that you can in other places, and she does her very best to source cute things and does an amazing job of it. So who wants a little dive in? I do. I definitely do. Okay. I'm so excited I can't actually use scissors. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And anything wrapped in tissue, okay, is even better, right? So we've got our cute little brand sticker. Open up the tissue paper. A sigh for beautiful things. So you get this leaflet in here, and I'm not going to let you peep inside because it will have different bag makers that she's collaborated with, and it will have QR codes for discounts on different patterns. He's going to tell me what's inside, but I don't want to look at that yet. That's what's in here. So first things first, one of my favorite things inside this is actually the Bird and Blend tea. I love it. This is lemon and ginger. Nice. All the zest and zing you want from a juicy lemon and ginger infusion. Amazing. Nice. If you haven't checked out Bird and Blend, I suggest you do. Okay. Check out the beautiful zipper tape. Look at the colour. That is delicious. I love that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, the other exciting thing, you get stickers. That's cute. It's like Spirograph. Who remembers Spirograph? Childhood memories right there. Very cute. We have got a lobster clasp. Gorgeous. That black and the black. It's like she's thought it all through. And oh, what have we here? Premium faux leather. I just need to stroke this for a little while, I feel. Look at that beautifulness. That is scrummy. Oops, I'm chucking my zipper on the floor. That is really nice. Gosh, beautiful. We have some lovely webbing. Look at that. Look at that. Now, the secret is you are supposed to use the stuff. I do like to look at it in my stash, but it's even better if you use it for a bag. So delicious. The blue there with the purple. Oh, gosh. What have we here? A bit of plastic. And then we have another one. Oh, that's what came out of there. So we'll have a pair. Gorgeous. We have zipper pull. Let's take a closer look at this. Right shape. That's really nice. Look. Cuteness. Love that. And there's probably another one, yes. pair of zipper pulls and another sticker. Just let me sew. Who literally feels that? I do. I think I've got all the scrumptiousness out of here. I don't want to throw it away with anything in there. So we have, let's do a little recap of the scrumptiousness. Just let me sew sticker. Gorgeous sewing machine. Spirograph. I'm going to call this my spirograph sticker. The webbing. Hello. What is that? That's two. Is that 2 inch? I don't know. I don't know. It probably says in here. In my little thingy. Oops, dropped my zipper. 1.5 inch. I should have known that. 1.5 inch webbing. So there's 2 meters of that. There's 1 meter of the coordinating zipper tape. I have my 2 1.5 inch lobster clasps. I dropped my other zipper on the floor, didn't I? Zipper pull. There we go. I've been awake since 5:30. Started work at 6:30. That's my excuse. My 2 zipper pulls. This though, I do have to use this, I know, but it's gonna be hard. It's so lovely. How much of that? This says a roll, so it's probably, there's quite a bit on there. And my tea bag. What do you reckon? I'm absolutely in love with it as usual. If you want to get in on the next lot, just I'll pop Emma's link in the description below and you can get on that. It's £29, which will be billed to you bi-monthly, and you'll get your box bi-monthly. She also has really awesome patterns on her website. Yeah, go check her out. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I am off to sew. Catch you next time. Bye bye.